My name is Galina Tabunshchyk, and I want to present you our new capacity building project, Cross-Domain Competencies for a Healthy and Safe Work in the 21st Century. So, to continue previous presentation, I just want to show the history of our participation in Erasmus Plus projects. First, it was Tempus project, and you see that, of course, the National University Zaporizhzhia Polytechnic has a more long history in participating in such projects, but this is the last 10 years. So you can see this evolution of the project. So there was first in 2010, there was a prominent project which was based on practical oriented engineering courses. And then there was a project with our now good partner, Ilmenau Technical University, where we implemented virtual tools in education. Next step, it was a Desire project where our partners from Belgium, in cooperation, we and also Ilmenau University of Technology, we develop teaching material for practical-oriented courses in embedded systems, and then developing our network and looking at the problem and changes in economy as well. We applied and was granted BioArt and Aleot projects, yes, which are finishing this year. And as a result, so looking at changes in the world, we see that this year we applied a new project Workforce, and this time our university, National University Zaporizhzhia Polytechnic, has such great honor to be grant holder of capacity building projects for higher education. So we all know that nowadays the requirements on the labor markets are changing very dynamically, and these changes show us that the requirements for our graduates, one of the main requirements for our graduates is to be more flexible, more adaptive, and that higher educational university should support this trajectory for improvement and changing for all life. And generally, our educational system in general is not ready for it. And that's why there was the idea to create a cross-domain competence model, which will be oriented not on academic content, but on labor market requirements, and which is based on projectized and digitalized changes of our business. Generally, what we see nowadays at our labor market, that the workforce, the requirements for workforce are shifting dynamically and very crucial. The risks from automation and artificial intelligence are assessed up to 70%. And this means that this means that business, governments should invest in people's capital, in their capabilities to become more ready for these shifts, which we can see at the world labor market. So we applied the project and it was granted. For us, you can see the duration of this project is 3 years. It starts this week from 15 November, and it should finish by 14 October 2023. And maximum budget of this project is around 1 million euro. This is not for National University Zaporizhzhia Polytechnic. It is a budget for all partners who are participating in these activities. Who are our consortium? In our consortium, there are 3 universities from program countries. It is Caio Leuven University, Fachhochschule Dortmund, and University of Basque Country. And we have 2 partner countries, Ukraine and Azerbaijan, with 3 partner university in each. From Ukraine, in this project are participating National University Zaporizhzhia Polytechnic, and we are a grant holder, as I already mentioned. Also, Kyiv National University of Construction and Architecture, and West European National University. It's a quite new name, and maybe you better know them as Ternopil National Economical University. From Azerbaijan, we also have 3 partners. It is their national coordinator will be Academy of State Customs Committee of Azerbaijan, and 2 other partners, Azerbaijan State Oil and Industrial University and Azerbaijan University of Architecture and Construction. So, what are our objectives? Our objectives is to develop new forms of university enterprise cooperation within the digital era to improve. So the main for university, it is that we should improve employability of our graduates. And this means that our next objective is to deliver new job-related competencies for the work 4.0. And of course, promoting the internationalization and interdisciplinary co-production of learning contents for this competence model for work 4.0. So from these wider objectives, this slide show it's more concrete, yes, specific objectives. So what we are going to do, we are going to develop a portfolio of 9 e-learning modules. We are going to implement a co-production approach of academic and professional experts. There will be developed a certification system with professional standards. We will train lecturers and companies. We will deliver this model for students and update curricula of master programs to result in the end in cross-border master school, which will force exchange and receiving for our graduates double degrees. Our target groups are universities, lecturers, scientists, students, executives, professionals, industry communities, represent governments and professional organizations. Work packages, it's the same as in all such projects, and what is the main, what we are planning to receive in the end. In the end, we are going to receive, to have learning modules, our workforce digital portal, our modules for train the trainers, our open community of professionals, the new certification system, virtual master school, and professional and executive education packages. Each university, so as one of the goals is to develop 9 e-learning modules, each university is responsible for one module, in which will participate, of course, all consortium. Also, each university will receive an equipment for their co-production lab to improve services of university to be more digitalized and flexible. So, to make, I hope I'm already in timing, not to prevent you from next lecture. So, a summary. Our project address the need of competencies, standards, learning material, and didactic formats, which would be important for the new Work 4.0. And for this, there should be developed these special combinations of competencies. These competencies should be organized, should be delivered in a projectized and digitalized way. And the most important is to increase employability. And for this case, our university should provide more focused on job field content, not on academic domain. And the main outcome we see as this new co-production model with cooperation, which will be received, yes, in cooperation with between academy, industry, and professional associations. Thank you very much for your attention.